How to fix inactive listings on Amazon? This is the most common question I get and is the most common problem Amazon sellers face. So in this video, I'm going to show you all of those reasons from which your listing get inactive, and I'm also going to show you how you can make them active again. So if you want to learn this, then keep on watching this video completely till the end, step by step. So you can also make your listing active again and keep getting sales. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from the Amazon Seller Central, I need to go on Inventory and click on Manage Inventory. So from here, you will be able to see all of those products which are listed on your Amazon account. So from that, you can see that the current status is set to all. That means I can see all products. But if I just click on Active, then I'll only be able to see active listings. And if I click on Inactive, then I'll only be able to see inactive listing. So by putting these kind of filter, you can just filter out some products, and then after putting the filter, you will be able to see which listings are active, inactive or suspended. So for example, take this product. You can see that the status is inactive, but Amazon here is showing us the reason, like why this product is inactive. It says that out of stock. So that means the reason for this listing to be inactive is it is out of stock. So if we were to make this listing active again, either we need to send some stock of this product to Amazon FBA warehouse, or you can just convert this listing to Amazon FBM and put some units here so you can just ship out those units from your house if you get an order. So now move on to the second case, which is inactive block. So that means this listing is blocked because Amazon has suspended or blocked this listing because of some policy violation. So if you're getting this kind of error, then this might be sometimes very tricky to remove because this error we got from policy violation. And if we violate any kind of policy of Amazon, then later it will be very hard for us to sell on that particular product in most of the cases. So now let's go to the third type of inactiveness, which is search suppressed. So that means this listing is okay, but right now this listing is not available for purchase. Like this listing is not live, and when someone search for that particular product, so they will not be able to see this listing. So to solve these kind of error, we must need to click on this search suppressed listing, and after clicking on that link, Amazon will take you to this page. And on this page, Amazon will tell you all of those reasons from which this listing is suppressed. So as you can see here, there are two errors. Number one is the product description is required, and number two is the main image is missing. So that means this listing is okay, this listing is having some stock, and this listing is not violating any policy. But the reason which is why this listing is unavailable is we haven't uploaded the description and image to this listing. So once we upload the image and add a description in this listing, then after 15 to 20 minutes, this listing will active again, and people can actually search on Amazon and find this listing. So these were the three most common reasons from which your listing can be inactive, and by following the same method which I have just shared with you, you can just make your listing live again. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.